Siding installation in Shelby Township is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and protection. Our Siding Shelby Twp company offers a wide range of siding options, including vinyl siding and fiber cement siding, to meet your specific needs. Siding professionals in Shelby Township are dedicated to providing top-notch siding services, ensuring your home is both beautiful and durable. Vinyl siding in Shelby Twp is a popular choice due to its affordability and low maintenance requirements. Our siding contractors in Shelby Twp are experts in vinyl siding installation, offering siding solutions that are both cost-effective and visually appealing. Siding experts in Shelby Twp are well-versed in the latest siding trends and innovations, ensuring your home stays stylish and up-to-date. Siding replacement in Shelby Township MI is essential for maintaining the integrity of your home's exterior. Our siding specialists in Shelby Twp provide comprehensive siding replacement services, addressing any damage or wear and tear. Siding maintenance in Shelby Township is also available to keep your siding in optimal condition, preventing costly replacements down the line. Siding replacement in Shelby Township, Michigan is a significant investment that can greatly enhance your home's value and appearance. Our Siding Shelby Twp company offers siding replacement services tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Siding customization in Shelby Twp allows you to choose from a variety of siding materials and designs, ensuring your home reflects your personal style. Fiber cement siding in Shelby Twp is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking durability and resistance to harsh weather conditions. Our siding contractors in Shelby Twp are skilled in fiber cement siding installation, providing siding solutions that stand the test of time. Siding enhancements in Shelby Township, Michigan can further improve your home's energy efficiency and overall performance. Siding quotes in Shelby Township are available to help you plan your siding project with confidence. Our siding estimates in Shelby Twp are transparent and competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Siding consultation in Shelby Township is offered to guide you through the siding design and selection process, ensuring your project meets your expectations. Siding inspection in Shelby Twp, Michigan is a vital step in identifying potential issues and ensuring your siding is in good condition. Our siding specialists in Shelby Twp conduct thorough inspections, providing you with peace of mind and a clear understanding of your siding's health. Siding design in Shelby Township MI is an opportunity to explore various siding options and create a look that complements your home's architecture. Siding upgrades in Shelby Twp, Michigan can transform your home's exterior, boosting its curb appeal and market value. Our Siding Shelby Twp professionals are experienced in implementing siding upgrades that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Siding innovations in Shelby Twp MEI keep your home at the forefront of design and technology, ensuring long-lasting satisfaction. Siding services in Shelby Twp encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance and replacement. Our siding company in Shelby Township, Michigan is committed to delivering exceptional service and quality workmanship.